RallyWoods time. A few of the boys out. This is going to be interesting. Oh well, first little obstacle. This is going to be interesting. Camera just never does it justice of how vertical it looks, eh? Looks like he's just driving down the road. What happened there?
He fell in. Did he? It was like not even as deep as his gumboot.
Yeah.
He took one more step and it went like that.
And then he opened the thing.
Well, we're doing well so far. We've already got another guy stuck. But hey, we're exploring, figuring it out. Good effort. Oh well, another obstacle, bit muddy, we're doing well.
Hi.
Well, we're pretty well lost, but we found some stuff to play in. Reuben's having a having a good old time. You actually struggle to see over the bonnet?
See where you go? Over here.
I might be stuck.
Yeah. A little bit.
I genuinely got further than I thought I was going to. Oh, I only just looked at that side of the car.
Oh yeah.
That's an angle, eh? Yeah. Yeah, brother. Oh well, pretty happy with that. Done a couple of things that I didn't think it would actually get through, but it did. So we're doing well. Hutt's up for lunch, a few sausages, bit of bacon, bit of bread, all the good stuff. Yeah, your back's up. Well, that was pretty cool. We probably explored maybe a quarter of RallyWoods, but we found some pretty cool spots, some pretty cool trails. Truck did bloody well, really. Oh well, let's have a little of a look around. Thankfully no real crazy noises or anything on the way out. No warning lights. Taken some good chunks with me, but I mean nothing really got inside. Doors are all nicely sealed. I mean that's normal, but it's just how thick that is. Good job, really is. I'm impressed the bumper stayed on. That would have hooked some shit. Oh yeah, so trailer plug is needed. I mean overall, oh shit, hold on. Oh yeah, nah, collected. Sump's perfectly fine. We got no leaks. Oh, she got splattered.